Welcome back, everyone! Today, we're diving into a highly talked about product that has been making waves in the health and wellness community, Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic. If you're looking for an effective way to support your weight loss journey, then stick around because this tonic might just be the solution you've been searching for. Let's break down what makes this tonic so popular and whether it lives up to the hype. So, what exactly is Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic? This is a natural dietary supplement designed to aid in weight loss by boosting metabolism and promoting fat oxidation. It's formulated with a blend of potent ingredients sourced directly from the island of Sumatra, known for their effectiveness in traditional wellness practices. Unlike many weight loss supplements that are loaded with chemicals, Sumatra Slim focuses on natural ingredients that work in harmony with your body. Now let's talk about the powerhouse ingredients packed into this tonic. First up, we have Garcinia cambogia, which is known for its ability to curb appetite and prevent fat storage. Next, there's green tea extract, which is a well-known metabolism booster. Then we have ginger root, which aids digestion and helps in reducing bloating, a common issue when you're trying to lose weight. These ingredients, along with others like turmeric and cinnamon, make for a potent formula that targets fat loss from multiple angles. Segment 3. How to use Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic. Using Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic is incredibly easy. Just mix 1 scoop of the tonic with water, juice, or your favorite smoothie once a day, preferably in the morning. Consistency is key here. Make sure you take it daily for the best results. And remember, this tonic is designed to complement a healthy diet and regular exercise, so don't skip out on those essentials. Segment 4. Real user experiences and testimonials. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from some real users. As you can see, many people have experienced significant changes in their weight and overall health after incorporating Sumatra Slim into their daily routine. These testimonials highlight the effectiveness of the tonic in not only helping with weight loss, but also in improving energy levels and overall well-being. Segment 5. Where to buy and special offers. If you're ready to give Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic a try, you can find it through the official website linked in the description below. Purchasing directly from the official site ensures that you're getting the authentic product and not some knockoff. Plus, they often have special offers and discounts available, so make sure to check that out. Just click the link below and start your journey towards a slimmer, healthier you. Conclusion. To wrap it up, Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic is a promising option for anyone looking to boost their weight loss efforts naturally. With its powerful blend of ingredients and positive user reviews, it's definitely worth considering. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for more details and to make your purchase. Thanks for watching, and if you found this review helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.